Kelly Lang, Keith Morrison, Fritz Coleman Weather, Fred Rogan, Sports, and Doug Kriegel, Money Matters. Channel 4 News at 6.
Good evening. Top story on the news at 6 o'clock. The FAA is now confirmed.
Your new day starting. Good morning to you. It's 5:30 a.m. and you're looking at a live picture across the San Gabriel Mountains with the official Today in LA palm or pine tree on the left side. It's Wednesday, May 19th.
Nice sunrise. Welcome to Today in LA, first edition. Here's what's happening on this Wednesday morning.
All the morning's news, weather, sports, and traffic start right now.
This is Today in LA, first edition, with Carla Otago and Ken Schockner.
Lots of news going on in the next 90 minutes. We'll get to in just a second.
Live in Southern California.
The message you are viewing right now should be the top of your priorities. This is a public announcement. We are currently experiencing issues within our Site-19 location. Please remain far away from this location for your safety. Thank you for listening to this message.
This is a life-threatening level alert. Please do not go near this location at all costs. This message should be listened to immediately. Divert your attention to your television and view this message carefully. The SCP Foundation is working to contain the breach that has happened to our Site-19 location. If you live near or on the red dot of this map, stay inside shelter and further instructions will be made shortly. If you live on or near Pierre, South Dakota, your life is in danger. The subject that has escaped the facility is SCP-096. This subject's class is Euclid, where its behavior can be unpredictable. This subject can be extremely aggressive, but docile, if you don't do the wrong thing. The subject can be aggravated by attacking it or looking at its face in any format, including video, photo, and through your own eyes. If you look at its face, it will start to locate you and attack you. Do not try to fight back against this subject, as its strength and speed will outperform even the strongest and fastest. Evacuations will be set in the area of danger, and remain vigilant and alert for any further updates. There has been a new update that is required to be broadcasted across the United States of America. Evacuation sites have been set up and local forces are working to contain SCP-096. The primary emergency number is currently having an outage. Please do not call the emergency number, unless, if you spot SCP-096 or you are having a real emergency. A secondary emergency number is set up, and will be available through a notification shortly. Remain vigilant and do not panic. More updates on the situation will be broadcasted later. There has been a new update that has been required to be broadcasted across the United States of America. The situation has calmed down, as SCP-096 has been taken and put back in its proper facility and confinement. News stations will be reporting more information about the situation, as local police and cleanup crews will be making sure the area is safe. Thank you for your cooperation. Secure, contain, and protect.